Hello everyone, I'm Cassiel and welcome to WayKen channel. Today we are going to talk about 3 manufacturing processes that can be used to make clear parts and their disadvantages and advantages. Now let's talk about the first process, making clear parts with 3D printing. SLA is a 3D printing process that uses a focused laser to solidify layer of UV curved resin. It is one of the fastest, easiest, and most cost-efficient ways to make clear parts. It is excellent for lower quantities, but it has some defects. The clear parts printed out by 3D printings are translucent, which means they look a little foggy. If we want to get fully transparent parts, we need to sand the paper smooth and polish them. If the part structure is complex, some local positions cannot be polished by the manual polishing. Okay. Let's move on to the next process, making clear parts by WayKen casting. As you can see, this is the clear parts making by the WayKen casting. WayKen casting, a process for making clear parts using temperature silicon molds, is the best way to create 10 to 20 copies of a clear parts. No matter its level of complexity, like SLA, it does not produce strong parts, but it does produce excellent surface finish. CNC machining, a subjective manufacturing process in which material is selectively removed from a block. The two main material actions are PNA and the PC. Both of the materials have very high transmissivity. CNC machining also produces super fine details if small cutters are used. So, if the geometries and the quality range is suitable, CNC machining will be our perfect manufacturing method for creating optically clear parts. But for parts with a complex structure, the CNC process may require splitting the design into multiple sections to machine, and then join them together with glue. The transparent parts will show gluing line marks, but it actually looks more like an light than a float because WayKen's team has a lot of experience to work out this issue. Overall, the choice of a manufacturing method depends on the specific requirements of the part, such as size, complexity, tolerances, material properties, and the production volume. If you are planning with your clear parts and don't know how to proceed, please feel free to contact WayKen and we will be happy to discuss it with you. That's all for today. See you next time.